Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Keep It Shut puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 pieces inside the box in such a way that the lid will stay shut. And if you just put one of the parts, 3 parts inside and one on top, that's not going to count as a solution. The lid will stay shut, but not all the pieces will be inside the box. And if you put all 4 pieces inside and flip the box upside down, that is not the solution as well, since there is even a print on the back side, this side up, so the box is supposed to stay with the lid up. This puzzle has more than 6,000 different combinations how you can fit 4 pieces inside, but only one correct solution that will keep the lid closed all the time. So if you like how the Keep It Shut puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you bought the puzzle and you have no idea how to solve it and you want to see the solution, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. As I mentioned, there are about 6,000 different combinations, but only one is correct. And the only correct combination looks following way. Let me find how to solve it. Oh, I already forgot which piece is supposed to go where. Oh, okay. I think that I found it. So first of all, you grab, wait a second. Yeah, first of all, you grab this piece and put it inside of the frame and move it to the back side of the frame. The next one goes this piece and you put it straight down. The next piece will be this one. You put it right inside this way. And we have only one part left. You have to grab it like so, put it inside, but as you can see, the lid is still open. Now, if you close the lid and tilt the box towards the back wall, the top piece will slide inside and it will keep the lid shut. As you can see, I'm not holding it. I can even shake it. The lid stays shut all the time. To open it, you just have to flip the box towards the front side. The top piece will move to the front and it will open the lid. Now you can just easily remove all 4 parts from the frame. As you can see, the solution looks quite simple, since you don't have to do some sophisticated moves to solve the puzzle, but it will be quite a challenge to find the correct solution how to keep the lid shut. The first idea when I was solving the puzzle was to find a piece that will be the last one to put inside, that you have to slide somewhere to keep the lid shut. And that idea helped me to figure out the correct solution of the puzzle. If you like the Keep It Shut puzzle and you want to try some other amazing puzzles designed by Theo Gehring and Simon Havinga, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching and see you next time.